guys, I'm Heather, and today I'm going to share with you a family favorite recipe that we use for celebrations for our kiddos' birthdays. So every first birthday, we are making this no added sugar banana smash cake. It has been a reader favorite on my blog for years. There are hundreds of comments. I have had so many people try this recipe, love it for their kiddos, because if you're anything like me, you're looking for a cake for your kiddo's first birthday and you don't want it filled with sugar. This is naturally sweet, naturally sweetened with bananas, and your cream cheese frosting is naturally sweetened with apple juice concentrate. So today I'm gonna walk you through how we make this and how you can serve this up for your little one on their first birthday as well. All right, and that is it for our smash cake. It comes together super easy, one bowl, which means cleanup is a breeze, and you can decorate it however you like. I love to add blueberries just because kiddos love them. You can make a number one on it with blueberries. You can decorate it however you like and however your kiddo would enjoy it. Feel free to have fun with it and just make it a fun celebration, and know that you are giving your kiddo a delicious treat that is not overly sweetened with extra sugar added in. It's naturally sweet, made with real food ingredients, so you can feel good about giving that to your little kiddo. If you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the recipe, I would love to hear from you. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought of this banana smash cake recipe. I will link to the full instructions down in the description below. So I hope that you enjoy this, and I will see you next time on my channel.